Hello everyone, we are here on our last block, block number 9. It's called Rays Quilt. Actually, it should be called Sun Rays because it's not a quilt, it's a block. So it's Sun Rays. It is our last one. I am Annemieke. I'm here with Emily at Cali Quilt Co. here in Rancho Cordova. And we hope you're having a great time doing this. And so we're going to just, again, everything we're doing today is pretty simple, A's and B's. So we're going to start with our A blocks first. Again, cut from bottom right, top left. You should be pros at this by now. All right. So we're going to put these together. Let's see. Let's see, I'm having this wrong. That's my background. So, we're pros, but apparently I still have to think about it. All right, quarter inch seam. Doesn't want to scoot under there. All right, so those are all our A's. All right, and we're going to take these and, like we've been doing, iron away from the background. Put our B's over there. Alright, so we get our block A. And that. We're going to trim these down to 2 and 3.5, 2 by 3.5. So there's our seam. So 2. Roll this down. There we go. And our last A. All right, so now those are our A's, and now we're going to do our B's. So B's are cut bottom left, top right. these out. Oh, that would be an interesting one. And one more here. All right, 1/4 inch seam. And you want to be careful with this one, especially since it's the woven I have on top. Probably because it's getting a little stretchy. Probably on the next side here. Hang on here. Because the woven's a little looser weave, so probably what I'm going to do with the next two here, I'm going to do it the other way. So using the Kona on top here, less likely to stretch. Flip this over. And there really is no right or wrong which side you stitch it on. All right, so those are our bees. Take these, iron away from our background. And we're going to cut these down then. Using our bee ruler. So, 2 by 3.5. Bring that down to there's one. So slide this guy down to 3.5. Okay, I had it right the first time. Okay. And our last one here. And then, so you've gotten all of your A's, all your B's. This is a really simple block. So now what we're going to do is lay it all out like I have been before. And you have a square, your center square. And these are all the same size. So let's see here. Upside down. There we go. And there you have it. So again, I've sewed our A or B together and then just do it by rows. And there's your Sun Rays block. So here's the finished block. That's number 9. I hope you all enjoyed it. We look forward to seeing them all.